How to clear the cache on your PS5 to help fix lag, slow performance, and long loading times. Over time, your PS5 stores temporary cache files. If these files become corrupted, they can cause performance issues. Clearing the cache is safe and may improve your console's performance. First, completely turn off your PS5. Press the PlayStation button, go to the power icon, and select Turn Off PS5. Wait until the console is fully powered off. Next, press and hold the power button for about 7 seconds. Keep holding it until you hear the second beep. This will boot your PS5 into safe mode. Connect your controller using a USB cable and press the PS button. In safe mode, select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Then choose Clear System Software Cache, confirm the action, and wait for the process to finish. Once your PS5 restarts, check if the lag, slow performance, or loading issues have been resolved. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more PS5 tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.
To be what I want, I'll